Are you tired of trying every skincare product under the sun, but still struggling with breakouts and blemishes? What if we told you that the key to clear skin isn't just in the products you use, but also in the foods you eat? In this video, we're going to share the top foods for clear skin, according to a nutritionist. You won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome to ThinkBo, where we're always on the lookout for the latest tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition and how it impacts your skin health. We all know that eating a healthy diet is good for our bodies, but did you know that it can also help to clear up your skin? In this video, we'll be sharing the top foods that can help you achieve a clear, glowing complexion, straight from the expert advice of a nutritionist. Get ready to take notes and start incorporating these skin-friendly foods into your diet for the best results. Before we dive into specific foods, it's important to understand why nutrition plays such a crucial role in achieving clear skin. The food we eat provides our bodies with the essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed for healthy skin. Nutrient deficiencies can result in skin problems like acne, dryness, and premature aging. Eating a balanced and healthy diet is essential for maintaining a clear complexion. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and self-improvement videos from us. So let's get started. Number 1. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which protect the skin from free radical damage and help to prevent premature aging. Eating a variety of berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries is a delicious way to boost your skin health. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote healthy skin. Omega-3s also help to keep the skin hydrated and improve its elasticity. Number 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are essential for healthy skin. They also contain chlorophyll, which can help to detoxify the skin and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from UV damage and prevent premature aging. They also contain healthy fats that help to keep the skin moisturized and supple. Number 5. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help to support a healthy gut microbiome, which can have a direct impact on the health of our skin. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics and can help to improve the overall appearance of your skin. Number 6. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin C, all of which are essential for healthy skin. They can help to improve skin elasticity and reduce inflammation, making them an excellent addition to any skin-friendly diet. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, a nutrient that can help to protect the skin from sun damage and improve skin texture. They're also rich in vitamin A, which promotes healthy skin cell turnover and can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production and keep the skin looking youthful. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Drinking green tea regularly can help to reduce inflammation and improve skin texture. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. It also contains zinc, which is essential for healthy skin cell growth and repair. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and self-improvement videos from us. Thank you for watching.